Hi guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing video of the new Ironman 4x4 30-liter water tank with integrated 12-volt pump. As you can see, the packaging looks very premium. Exterior of the box shows the layout of the included items and also specs of the water tank. So inside the box, you have the manual and a string bag that has all the components inside. You will be getting the mounting kit, shower head, power cord, and the hose. So this is where you have the power switch, the water outlet, the drain, and the 12-volt power inlet. As you can see, the mounting instruction is very easy. It works like a clamp for load bar. Since I'm going to install it on my roof rack, we fabricated the bottom mount made from a flat bar so we can clamp it on the mesh wire. So before we put the water tank on the roof rack, I'm going to show you how easy to install the mounting kit so we can properly take a video. I'm also going to put anti-collision tape on the base just to make sure the tank is protected from scratches. Now we fill it up with water. The hose and inlet also has brass quick connect coupling. As you can see, the shower head have different modes, and we will show you all the 10 different sprays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for watching. We're gonna do more unboxing videos, so stay tuned guys.